guys, here we are at Paris in Las Vegas. This is room 5740 in the Versailles Tower. It is a balcony room on the 57th floor. As you come in to your left, you are greeted with this painting, artwork on the wall. Let me get a light switch. First, we have a little bit more light. Coming into the room to your right, you have a bathroom door that is see-through. You can go in and check out the bathroom. The nice green or brownish green accents. Nice. You've got a shower. Walk in with the communal bath products. Pretty nice. Towels, extra stuff down here. Toilet paper. You've got an iron. Or no, that says handheld steamer, not your hairdryer. I don't believe that's the hairdryer. The hairdryer. Where is the hairdryer? Maybe that is the hairdryer, but I bet you it's not. As you are coming into the room, you have the mini bar. Don't touch, because you will be charged, and I don't think you want to pay for that. But there is a Temptations Lovers Kit in there if you feel like getting it on. You've got 2 drawers to store things in. And you're safe. The only thing in it is a manual, which is good. I like that. Would have liked to find some money in there, though. No mini fridge in here. This room does not come with a mini fridge. And you pay $150 extra a night for this. You're kidding me, right? No mini fridge. That's crazy. I'm paying for an upgraded room. A mini fridge should be included. I'm sorry. You have the king-size bed right here. It is beautiful. Very comfortable. Light stand to your right with USB ports and chargers. Pretty nice. Another nightstand. A door that opens up with your phone. And more spaces to charge your phone. Here, let me put down my drink. A little couch that you can sit and relax before you go out for the night on the strip. Another little seating area over here with a please enjoy the clean air warning sign. And look, that beautiful side mirrors. They're gorgeous, aren't they? The view you have of the right, which is a regular window. A view of Las Vegas Strip. Northbound. And Vanderpump's little dog, Pinky, if I'm not mistaken. But it blacks out pretty nice in here. Did you know these rooms on the corner, those air filters get dirtier quicker? Now you know. There we go. And the view and there's the stones. Other than the nice big 65-inch TV and cup there. It's the balcony. Let's go out. And to end off the tour, here's the Las Vegas Strip. And there it is, a Versailles Tower, 1 king balcony room, and the Las Vegas Strip.